Right, this is the last two questions of the November 2018 Higher Maths Paper 1. Question 17, question 18. Question 17 is probability without replacement, so it means that your fractions will all change when you come through your second pick. Okay. The key to this is writing down the combinations in letters before you jump into the fractions too quickly. So we've got 10 balls altogether to start with. Find the probability of choosing one red and one green. So red and green, remember now and in probability is times in, but it doesn't say that they have to be in that order. So you also have to do green and then red, okay, because the different order is a different combination in probability. So you can have either, because you can have either it's red and green or green and red, and all means to add up at the end. So, chance of us getting a red on our first pick is 4 out of 10 times the chance of getting a green. Well, there's only one green in there, but because we've already taken a red, there's only 9 left. 4 times 1 is 4, 10 times 9 is 90. The chance of us getting green on our first pick would be 1 out of 10. Oh, what's going to be funny? It's not going to let me write, is it? Yep. So 1 over 10, and then there's still 4 reds in there, but 4 over 9, so 4 over 90 again. They're exactly the same. Because it's the OR rule, we can add those two together. The denominators match, so that's not a problem. 8 over 90 would be your final answer there. Moving down then, find the probability that the two balls chosen will not be the same colour. Okay, if we write this out as combinations, I can't remember what the third colour was, yellow. So there's red, yellow, yellow, red. There's green, red, red, green. But there's also yellow, green, and green, yellow. So there's quite a lot of combinations that are not the same colour. If we compare that to combinations which are, so you can get red, red, you can get yellow, yellow, you can't actually get green, green because there's only one green in there. So the quickest way to answer this question, and you'll still get all 4 marks, is to work out the probability that they're going to be the same colour and take that away from 1. It'll be quicker. So we're going to work out the probability of this happening. Board would be very dodgy this morning. We're going to work out the probability of getting to the same colour and take it away from 1. And that should give us then the probability of all of those happening. Right, so red, red. How many reds are in it to begin with? 4. So red and red is 4 over 10 times 3 over 9. That is 12 over 90. Okay. How many yellows are in there to start with? It's 5. So chance of getting yellow and yellow again is 5 out of 10 times 4 out of 9, which is 20 out of 90. It doesn't matter which one of those. This is the OR rule. So that gives us 32 out of 90. That is the probability of them being the same. So 1 minus 32 over 90. In this case, 1 is 90 over 90. So all you've got to do is 90 take away 32, which is 58 over 90. And a lot quicker than working out all of those combinations RY, YRG, RRG, YG, GY. So there's your final answer, 58 over 90. As long as you remember to do the taking away at the end, you're still going to get all of the marks. And then the last question, question 18, is a transforming graphs question. So just got to know your rules here. Okay, what does what? This is actually 2 transformations because compared to what we started with, oh no, just the 1 transformation. We had the plus 2 already. So where we had x squared plus 2, we've now got x minus 4 squared plus 2. Taken away in a bracket. In this topic, things in brackets do opposite to what you might think they do. taking away 4 inside a bracket actually pushes your graph to the right by 4. Okay. So where we had the coordinate 0, 2, if we push that 4 to the right, and there's no scale, so you can pretty much put it anywhere you want. There's 4, and I'll mark it as 4, 2. It hasn't gone up or down. All you've then got to do, look, is draw in the rest of the curve. So there's one mark for moving it to the right, and the other mark is for actually labelling the coordinate, which has become 4, 2, because taking away 4 in a bracket moves 4 to the right. And that's the end of the paper. Not too bad, that one. Okay, see you soon.